Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd might as well record this. It's more for my purposes for future, but they've put all the boxes and stuff in for the electrics, so I'm just going to whip round and do a quick video of that. It's basically so in future I know if I drill a hole in the wall where not to drill or what have you. So yeah, I'll turn around and we'll have a quick look inside. Since we've been the other day, they've managed to do the little roof on the toilets. They've got that done. They turn around. They're busy filling in a lot of the holes and stuff what the electricians made yesterday. So there's your roof. Basically that's like a sheet roof with insulation on. Doesn't have to be too bad. That's the insulation obviously which they've cut off. So that's the insulation which is up there. They've just obviously cut it off so they can finish the edge. As you can see, the electrician came yesterday and he's chased and cut in most of the lighting. There's a couple of bits and pieces which needs altering. It's if you're building in the future, guys, and you've got a good crew like we have, you've got to come up pretty much every day. You have to, because I'll tell you what, you can just see one day and then that's it. Something happens, it gets plastered over and it's got to all be redone. So we're trying to avoid that. But yeah, you have a look in the pool. Looks a bit clearer. Still not getting in there yet though, I'll wait. So yeah, I'll start in the front room here. I mean, I've waiting for some cable to arrive for myself. I want to put me cinema surround sound system in here, so I want to run cables up over the top and down. So I just go around just checking where the cable drops are, just for my own reference. So so at the moment they've cut all the boxes in, chase all that in, and then they'll fill it all up. Obviously run the cables to suit. Here's Tam. So yeah. So do you think they're getting on then, Tam? You think they're doing a good job?
Yeah, I called Tom. He answered.
Yeah. Everything okay?
He said, oh, it's wrong. I said, yeah, different. And he said, no problem.
Okay, that's it then. I like no problems. So yeah, so we have got socket in here. Oh, obviously this is where the main fuse board is going to go. I take it. And yeah, there's a couple of little issues. I'm having aircon on. Well, there's going to be 5 aircon units in total. One's going to go up on this wall here, which they haven't made provisions for. This is why, guys, it's imperative if you build a house, especially how quick ties work, you've got to pop up and check. They've put this one in the wrong place. I want it on this back wall, because basically all the aircon units I want out the back. I don't want to see anything from the front. So yeah, I'm just sort of, like I said, I'm just whipping round. They put a socket in there for lighting and for the shower. We're just having electric showers with rain heads and normal spray hoses, so you can swap between the two. I like a rain shower. Tam prefers you know, just a normal shower. So yeah. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just literally flying around and just finding out where all of these cables are. It's worth doing. It's worth keeping a record of this. Just basically because you might end up wanting to drill a hole somewhere. That's fed from the other side. These are all going to be lighting ones. So yeah, doing cracking job as always. So let's just make sure we've got them all. So this is going to be obviously our room. They're just sorting out the window frames as well. Let's have a look in this one as well. So yeah, we've got sockets either side of the bed here. Aircon out there, which is perfect, that's good. Sockets there for TV and stuff. I think that should be a double socket there. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll check on the plan on that one. And yeah, it's just going to be a very short video. We'll put the drone up today actually, because the other bits of the roof is finished now, including, we'll go out this way, including the roof on the side. Now one of the chaps has asked if he can move and from his digs where he is and come up and stay around the back here. Of course we said yes, so there's no problem. So let's have a quick look. Don't want to disturb him too much. So yeah, so we got the roof on up here as well. It's looking brilliant, I've got to say. They're doing a cracking job. This will all be open under here. I think it's going to be painted white, but cracking space out here, I must admit. Big area, and it's really cool because it's complete opposite side to where the sun comes. It's perfect. Yeah. So no, just a quick video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. I wasn't going to post for another week, but bit of a change of plan, and it's really hot here, that's why I'm sweating. So anyway, thanks guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to other people as well. I'm trying to get it out, and you know, and as always, any questions or anything you got, by all means give us a shout. Otherwise I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the drone footage. Cheers guys, take care, bye bye.